All right, what is up, guys? This is St. Louis's own BWeezy09, and today's my opinion is Win 10. Yes, it's almost here. We've only got maybe a couple more months till it's out, but I've had it for a while now, so I wanted to give you guys my opinion. And if you didn't know, Win 10 is Windows 10. I just say Win 10, so I apologize for confusing you. But alright, I want to apologize if the screen isn't as visible as I want it to be. This is like I've like tested this out to see, but this is the best I can do from the past videos I've done just recently to kind of test it out. But alright, let me get to it. My opinion: Win 10, Microsoft. They did the gosh darn thing. This will be the best OS from Microsoft, like, ever, in my opinion. Yeah. I say that because what they did with this one is they did the insider preview. I'm a part of that, as you can tell. They've been taking our feedback, and then it's like almost each and every update, they put what they got out of the feedback into the builds. I'm not on the latest build. I'm on 174. The latest build is 101.22. I actually tried to download that last night, but I was having problems. What I noticed was I was automatically put on the slow ring for build updates. So maybe they already knew because I have a POS AMD processor. So maybe they're like, okay, AMD, you guys will automatically get the slow ring because their shit sucks. Sorry about that language. I apologize. But that's how I feel. I've had nothing but problems with this laptop. Well, I think Windows 7 was alright. When at Windows 8 and now 10 is like disk. It's not the processor, but disk, memory, and CPU always almost at 100%. And it can't eat this processor can't even handle Android Studios. It had problems with Eclipse as well, but I mean, not as many as Android Studios. I was surprised I was able to make a simple app through that, but I was, so can't complain. Yeah, I just gotta tug along with this one. But alright, let me get to it. Let's start off with these features, you guys. Everybody was waiting on this right here, the start menu. Yes, it took place. It's taken over for the start area. You know what I mean? You got your what we're all used to from previous start menus, and now they added the live tile apps. So no more start area. You click down here, you get that start menu. Oh yeah, we love it, and it's back. And the start menu actually can make it just about as big as you want to. And I like this right here. Simple is nice. And then with the start menu, if you have touchscreen, they call the touch capabilities a continuum, if I'm not mistaken. And this is what I've seen continuum to look like for the start menu. Obviously, you'd be able to go through, touch it, and get your apps and whatnot. But guess I gotta take that back. Okay, but I'm not sure. I don't have a touchscreen capable laptop, so I can't really tell you about Continuum. If you have touchscreen, once it comes out, you'll be able to play around with it. I believe it's all throughout the OS as well, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure, so don't take my word for that. But all right. Getting back to the start area, you got what we've all been used to, and now live tiles. And if you remember with the apps back in 8, these were full screen apps that took up the whole freaking screen, and they were just annoying. But now they're windowed, so you can have all your apps open up, windowed, and they don't take up everything. This actually is a new task view. They call it multi-viewer. Well, task view and multi-view. So you can see everything going on one time. But yeah, start menu, replace start area. Got your apps right here. You can have all your apps in the start menu, and still have them down in the taskbar. All right, and then there are no more. There's no more of the Chrome area. I mean Charm area. My bad. Sorry about that. Let me close. The new Mail app is exceptional. I love it. But there is no more Charm area. So what they did was they put some of our tasks right here. Not tasks. I can't even think of what these are. Gosh, I'm so sorry about that. But yeah, like Wi-Fi and everything, they put it down in the notification area, so you can toggle them on and off through here. I actually have brightness on 25 because it helps with the video. I toggled it right from there. Things like that you can toggle, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, all it all on and off. And the settings area. The settings area is basically, what you remember from Charm as well. Some of your things condensed in one area, so you can get to your system, your devices. But this is not like going Windows X and going to system. This is like what you would have got if you went to Charm, system, So basically all that's right there in the settings. Yep. Okay. Now I'm going fast because I'm trying to get this all. I picked out a few features that I think people will love the most. If I can think of any more, I want to make more videos as I go on. As it gets closer, I should have the new build probably next week or so. We'll see what happens. I already talked about the notifications area right here in the bottom left. You get all your notifications from mail. Any apps that do notifications, you'll get them there. You get system notifications, things like that as well in here. All that good stuff. Boom, bam. All right. I already talked about the apps. Project Spartan is a new browser that kind of trying to push. I don't really use it. This is it right here. I'm not even going to bring it up because the only thing I saw about it was you can draw on the web page, things like that. But then again, I haven't taken the time to go through and play with it that much. Then we got Cortana. Hey Cortana, tell me a joke. Tell me a joke.
I can't connect at the moment. Try again in a little bit.
Cortana is like buggy right now. Hey Cortana. Hey Cortana, tell me a joke. Hey Cortana, tell me a joke.
Why didn't the spider go to school? Because she learned everything on the web.
Okay, so it actually did hear me that time. Hey Cortana, set a reminder for 10 minutes from now.
All right, tell me your reminder. I'm sorry, I didn't catch that.
Just remind me. Okay, I kind of screwed up. I couldn't think of a reminder. But yeah, Cortana, she'll be extremely useful when she gets on par with everything. She's not up there with voice recognition right now, and it's kind of buggy. But it's a cool concept, and it will be very useful with some of the features that people have been requesting. If they add those in, like opening apps and things like that, she'll be very useful on the computer. But I was going to talk about the Xbox app because Windows 10 and Microsoft Xbox are going hand in hand with this OS. So I'm going to do that in its own video because it's got a lot of features. Like we don't actually have stream. I was going to talk about Xbox One streaming. Streaming games from the PC to the Xbox, from the Xbox to the PC. But that's not up. I thought it was up. I was going to add that in. Maybe stream a game to the PC. Let you guys see that. My Xbox One. Turn it on. Things like that. they've added a whole lot of features, and it's very useful now compared to where it was beforehand. But that was it, guys. Like I said, I think Windows 10 is going to be like the best OS that Microsoft has released yet, and I think they did that. They were able to do that because they, took feedback and let us users, get a hold of it beforehand. Now, if you do still have the opportunity to get a hold of it, I believe, and if you do that, it is at your own risk. Like, I've had blue screens, I've had freezing, things like that, but I'm alright with that because I can handle them. But if you're a normal user, be wary. But this new build that they have is my build 174 was the last build that had major feature changes. The latest build 101.22 is the more stable, getting ready for release build. So it's stabilizing. They're trying to, with each build update, it's going to get more and more stable. So you might not have as many problems as I had. But then again, I kind of contribute that to the AMD processor and just this computer alone. I didn't really have that many problems on the desktop, and that is an older desktop. Yeah, and I've had it almost for a year now. I've had it since last summer, Windows 10, and I had, I believe, the first build on that desktop. Yeah, I haven't even updated the build yet, but I need to. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching, and as always, have a good day and love you all.